Hey guys, in order to withdraw money from Patreon, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and open up your browser, right? Log in using Patreon account. Now what I'm gonna do, hit the three bars at the top left, and you're gonna see settings. Hit settings, excuse me. Now you can swipe left. If you're a creator, you're gonna see billing and payout, right? Or payment methods and payout, okay? Whichever the option is, you're gonna just go ahead and press that option, right? You're gonna see payment methods and payout, or billing and payout. So if you're a creator, you probably gonna see billing and payout. So in my case, right, I'm not a creator, but if my guess is right, they added the payout into the payment method section, right? So hit add payment method, okay? And you can add your credit card, Apple Pay, or PayPal. And you can withdraw or make basically payment using the one of those three payment methods. If it's in the billing history, you're gonna just go ahead and press the billing history or billing history payout and select basically withdraw, right? And you're withdrawing now from Patreon to your PayPal, Pioneer, whatever. Okay. Now, afterwards, you're gonna basically continue the process, right? And confirm that you want to withdraw money from your Patreon to, credit card, direct deposit, PayPal, whatever. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.